What is up, everybody? It's Justin here at S&K Greenhouse, where we try to make gardening a little bit simpler. Today I'm going to show you how to root a lot of people's favorite plants right now. This one's hot and trendy, a string of pearls. Now this is actually one of the easiest plants to propagate because of the way it wants to grow. It's a creeping perennial that loves to grow alongside of the ground, and as it grows on this underside, under the pearls, it actually forms what they call nodes. And these nodes produce roots. I'll show you a better example. If we look underneath here, you can see that a root is already starting to develop right under this pearl. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab this cutting here, snip it off. And then when I'm rooting, especially succulent type plants, I definitely am going to use something light and fluffy, like this cactus and succulent mix by Hoffman. As you can see, this mix is really ground up fine. It doesn't hold a lot of water. It's really fluffy. It's great for rooting all different types of succulents. And so all I have to do to root this piece is place it on top of the soil, pushing those roots down, and just press it down like that. That is one way to root a string of pearls. I would do several pieces so it become more full, but over time this will root and start to grow just like that. I'm not a big fan of this way because it's not very secure. You could bump it, kind of disturb the roots as they're trying to take hold. So there's a better way to root a string of pearls, and I'm going to show you that way next. This is the way I like to do it. I like to take several cuttings, maybe 5 or 6. Choose a cutting and pull off half the pearls, just leaving the stem. And you can already see that where I pulled the pearls off are these little nodes, and these nodes will actually develop roots. So it's good to stick the stem in, pack the soil nice and tight around it, and then just so this will fill out and grow nice and full, a lot faster, might I add. You want to do several of these. Now keep up with these pearls, because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to string a necklace with them. All right, so we have our pot full of cuttings. I've put about 5 cuttings in here, and this will grow out nice and full, but you got to be patient. String of pearls is kind of a slow grower, so give this at least 6 weeks to really root and take hold. Real quick, when you're trying to root fresh cuttings, always keep your soil consistently moist and never soaking wet. All right, let me show you a bonus, kind of unrelated informational tip. A lot of people think this is a defect. Do you see the clear strip going across the face of the pearl? This actually acts as a window and lets light in, which helps with photosynthesis. There you go, folks. How to propagate a string of pearls. On this channel, we do a good bit of garden tutorials and how-tos. So if you got any value from this video, would you consider subscribing to the channel, hitting that notification bell, and until next time, become a plant person.